taking the deceased in company of the respondents to the police station.
Before taking the deceased?
The police station.
Yes.
Together with the first, second, third, and fourth respondents.
Yes.
The owner, the deceased, and respondents are also police officers at the police station. Alleged or that need to be done, and allow me to just go through the paragraph 10 on the nature of the investigations. They say that they need to record statements from witnesses. In what manner will the respondent prevent the IO from recording statements from witnesses? They came to Kikuyu police station, where the 5th, 6th, and 7th are serving as police officers, without notifying even the OCS or the OCPD.
As I said, what is the time, Council?
3. Just 3 minutes.
I'm not sure I'll be able to write a ruling between now and 4:30. You can come tomorrow or today?
You can come back. 5.
At 5. You can try the 5 at 5. Ruling at 5.
Na tabetu ikire rohani ndo ekoro githira mitabu ni amida shokire na